This video was produced to showcase the students' work related to soldering and desoldering methods. After watching this video, students will be able to perform correct method of soldering and desoldering skills to complete a functional basic electronic circuit.
Armin has been assigned the task to implement soldering and desoldering methods. The first step is for students to sketch the layout of components on a strip board based on the schematic circuit. The second step involves identifying the required components. The third step is for students to arrange and mount the components on the strip board. List of equipment used: 1. Soldering iron, flux, and solder wire. 2. Pointed nose pliers. 3. Cable insulation cutter. 4. Cable cutter. 5. Desoldering tool. 6. Analog multimeter.
7. Solder lead.
8. Connecting wires.
'Clean the tip of the soldering iron with a sponge. Preheat the soldering iron. Touch the tip of the soldering iron to the solder until it melts slightly.
During, tilt the soldering iron at an approximate 30-degree angle. Touch the tip of the soldering iron to the component's lead. Once the solder melts properly, remove the soldering iron and solder from the component's lead. Melt the unwanted tin lead with the tip of the soldering bit and suck it up using a desoldering tool. Cut the ends of the components that are ready to be soldered so that they are neat. Remove any excess solder with the soldering iron's tip and use a desoldering tool to suck it away. Trim the leads of the soldered component for a tidy finish.